we are here not with a movie review, but with an unboxing video today. I got two packages today, one I'm very excited about and one that I'm very curious about. So without further ado, here we go. Package number one, the one that I'm curious about. It is from Super Yaki. This is the only place though that I have room to unbox. Apologies, but also please ignore the mess in back there. This is from Super Yaki. Hopefully you can hear me and this is not for nothing. Ugh. Bags open. I did not look inside of it. When Dune Part 2 came out, they did a mystery bundle. I think it might have to do with the David Lynch version. I know is that we had to select what type of t-shirt and the size. That was basically it. Hopefully my address isn't... I looked, but I didn't look because I just want to make sure my address wasn't there. So this was the Super Duper Yaki Club Volume 2 Desert Power Edition. So yeah, let's see what we got. I was right. I like it. I like this. It's just a plain black t-shirt. Oh, it's backwards on the camera. Okay, that's what it says though. I like that. I like that a lot. Next, I'm curious as to what this bandana, maybe like a freebie? I don't know. I don't recall bandanas except for Tawny's blue that she wears when, you know, signifying relationship. I'll take a bandana. This, I don't know what's in here. Stickers, poster, something paper. I know that's for sure. My other ride is a sandworm. That's ironic because I don't drive yet, but you know what? As soon as I get it and as soon as I get a car, this is going on it. And then I have one that says hunk if you'd rather be watching The Mummy 1999 with Academy Award winner Brendan Fraser and Rachel Weisz. I love this. I love this. My other ride is a sandworm. That's actually funny. What else is in here? I love this company. They have so many fun things. Like how to dress as Paul Atreides. Like that's so funny. I don't know. I just love stuff like this. It just brings me joy. And then greetings from Arrakis. I love that. What the hell? I love postcards. I love like anything poster size, like this wide, this size. I just love collecting art like that. So I love this greetings from Arrakis. And then it says on the back Super Yaki. Number 40 out of 100. So that's cool. Let's see if there's anything else. No, so that's it with the Dune. This was the Dune mystery bundle that I got in the mail today. I'm very happy with it. I am very excited about the sticker. Honestly, most of all, I collect stickers like no tomorrow. And the poster card I actually really love too, like I said before. And I just love the shirt. So happy New Year. Happy Dune year. Not Doom, but Dune year. Package number 2. Dun, 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 dun. This one I've been waiting for almost a year now. I'm so excited that it's here. It came earlier than I thought it would. So let's get into opening this baddie. I used to work at... I miss doing shipments. I just loved cutting boxes open, basically. Another box. A box within a box. Alright, I'll be right back. That's what I imagine giving birth feels like. Okay, much easier package, I think, to open. You can tell what it says. I know it's pretty dumb to not say what it is, if you can read that. And I should just say what it is, but honestly, I'd rather just pull it out, because this is like something very near and dear to my heart. So I was right, styrofoam. Box opened. I will be right back again because I don't think I can get this out on camera. It is here. It is here. The Last of Us Part 2 clicker statue. Oh. So, this is to add to my Last of Us collection. 467 out of 1200 certificate authenticity. So this is my third statue that I've gotten from The Last of Us. My dual one came with thing, but not like an authenticity thing, so I like that I have that. Not that I'm ever gonna sell these, and should I ever have kids, they better not sell these. These are staying in the family. If I don't have kids, and if my friends have kids, I'm forcing it on them, and they're keeping it in their family. Anyway, these things are staying. They're not being sold. And if they are ever sold when I'm long gone, I'm coming back to haunt you. Let's get this baby out. That's how I imagine your second childbirth goes. Much smoother than the first. At least that's what I've been told. By who? I don't know. They could be deranged. Or they simply just love it. I am unhinged today. I need to stop. So The Last of Us means a lot to me. This game has saved me multiple times. I didn't play it when it first came out. That's a long story. Long story short, I couldn't play video games physically because of a condition that I have with my hands. I remember seeing the commercials for it and being so intrigued, but like thinking to myself, like, I can never play these games because of my hands. I was able to eventually, and it forever changed my life for these last now 11 years. Sorry, let me actually open this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I didn't put it together yet, but the detail is insane. Even her butt, or their butt cheeks, got freaking things coming out. Like, come on, dude. She's sniffing the statue now. Oh, you can see her. She's sniffing it. Anyway, that is that. And then the base, just like your... Leave that. Inappropriate. It says The Last of Us Part 2, limited edition for $67 out of 1,200. So I like that they have it on here. I like that they have it on the box, and that they also gave a certificate of authentication. Here it is in its full glorious beauty. That is so freaking cool. Like, I can't do it. I used to be able to do the clicker sound. I can't do it anymore. It's beautiful. It's my favorite Infected too. I think that they've always been very intriguing. I just love the series so much. Like, it means so much to me, as I was saying earlier. So it got me back into playing video games, and it encouraged me to go to school, to pursue a degree, to get better in this, and has been just there for me through so much. This video game, I will literally show you my shrine dedicated to it. I have Ellie's tattoo on me, but my own version with her knife, which, shout out to my tattoo artist, love her. If you know me in person, you know why it means a lot to me. People who think of this game, they will associate it with me. They know how much the series been there through me for a lot. I've met Ashley Johnson, I've met Troy Baker. They are both wonderfully fabulous people. They are so dedicated to their craft, and you could tell that they care so much about these two characters, Ellie and Joel. And it's also like a big thing for me and my mom too. She watched me play it through the first playthrough, and then has watched me play it a million times over since. So it's an important game in my life. I don't know how I'm gonna do this and show you my collection. I'm gonna have to shuffle some things around. I'm very happy with this. Oh, the clicker statue just like completes it. I need the original though. I need the like first statue so bad. So bad. This is basically the end of the haul. I got the Dune stuff from earlier, which I love. This is the main piece though that I was so excited to get. Check out this game if you want to play it for yourself. I know a lot of people have already, but it's always fun to check out new games as well. Anyway, have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.